Okay, eat.
Come on, get it. You just expect to eat all day and get away with it, okay? You gotta pay your rent too.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.